In this video, I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin on Crypto.com with a debit card using the mobile app. First, open the Crypto.com app on your phone and log in. On the home screen, tap Buy. Then search for and select Bitcoin, BTC from the list of coins. Crypto.com's Help Center says the app's one-time buy flow is buy arrow, choose crypto arrow, enter amount arrow. Select payment method, then review and confirm. If you haven't added your debit card yet, the app will ask you to do that first. Enter your card number, watch name on card, expiry date, and CVV. Then follow the payment gateway steps on screen. Crypto.com also notes that a small temporary verification hold may appear on the card while it verifies your payment method. Next, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy. Choose your debit card as the payment source, then review the BTC amount, rate, and any fees shown on the confirmation screen. Crypto.com says the order is then confirmed in the app and processed right away as a one-time purchase. If everything looks correct, tap Confirm and approve the payment with your passcode, fingerprint, or your bank's verification if required. After the purchase goes through, your Bitcoin will appear in your crypto wallet inside the app. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.